This is a review of the Rigid Easy Spin Drain Cleaner for your tub and for your shower and for your sink that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this. So I've been using this for quite a while now, and so far it works very perfectly and fine. And if you have like hair and particles and stuff like that underneath your sinks, and as you guys know, when that happens, it builds up and then the water, it just gets stuck. And then from there, you guys know it just becomes a big mess. This right over here would definitely do the job. And what we're gonna do now is that we are going to put this product to a test to show you guys how well this thing works. Okay, so here we are at my sink, and to make this work, as you guys know, there's a little bit of hair, particles and stuff stuck underneath, some dirt and debris and stuff that causes a clog sometimes, where my water gets up to like right over here, and that becomes a huge big mess. So I do have like a little bit of hair underneath. So in order to make this thing work, all you have to do, you can see here, there's a cable right over here that extends up to 25 inches. So it comes with a extended release, so it goes all the way down to make sure it picks up all the hair and dirt and stuff that causes the drain and the blockage. Now to make it work, it comes with a handlebar right over here. So we're gonna move it this way right over here. You can see how it extends as I'm moving it down, and then put it on just like that. And you can turn on the water just like a little bit, but not too much. And then right over here, we're gonna see what we could pick up. So as I'm moving it down, we're gonna see what we could get. But so far it does have like a little bit of a blockage, but not too much, where sometimes it clogs up. And we're gonna move it like this, and to show you guys what we could probably pick up. If we don't pick up anything, then there really isn't much stuff to get underneath. So we're gonna pull this out like that and move it back to the counterclockwise. And then right over here, so far you can see like a little bit of dirt and debris right over there that causes the blockage of the sink. And overall, I would definitely recommend the Rigid Easy Cleaner Drain Cleaner if you're looking for, like if you have every single day, if you have like, a huge mess and you comb your hair, or you have stuff stuck underneath the sink, then this right over here is probably one of the best products to get. You can see how little particles of hair and dirt and debris pulled out. It could pull out hair as well too for heavy blockages as well. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this. It's a huge game changer to have in your home, and would definitely recommend this for your tub, for your sink, and for any places that have a sewer. Then it would definitely do the job. So I would definitely recommend this product.